Yeah, so the company, now has its property that it's going to be able to pursue into a feasibility study. We've also done a lot of our pre-feasibility at the same time as we were doing the PEA. A lot of pre-feasibility studies were done internally. So now we're at a level that at some point here very soon we could decide when to embark on a feasibility study.
All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. Joining me now is John Passalacqua. He is the CEO of First Phosphate. And John, welcome back. Great to see you again.
Yeah, you too. Thank you, Steve.
So exciting news out from the company. I know you've been waiting for it for a while, a huge milestone in releasing your PEA on the Begin Lamarche property. Very positive numbers. First off, John, just give me some reaction on getting this done.
Yeah, well, as you know, it's teamwork, it's a team sport. As you know, we came out with our mineral resource estimate not so long ago, and already we're moving into a PEA. So it's been quite accelerated. So really happy and proud of the team for putting this together, and very good results. So very happy with what's come of it.
Yeah, tell me about some of the numbers that really jumped out to you.
Yeah, so obviously we're an NPV that's over $2 billion, which is very good in this market. We were at an 8% discount rate, and the IRR is over 37%, which is great. And also I like the payback period of under 3 years, 2.9 years. And also the CapEx is very reasonable, under 700 million Canadian.
Yeah. So you've obviously got a lot of things that are in place, which added into this PFS, a lot of deals that were signed, but also the where the project is really has a great advantage to it about things that are around it, and also the type of phosphate that you're looking at.
Yeah, so I mean, I think the great thing about this project at Bégin-Lamarche is that we're still sitting inside of the valley area of the Saguenay-Lac-Saint-Jean region of Quebec. We're not in the mountains. We're very close to hydro, very close to public infrastructure, paved provincial roads, ports, also to our secondary processing facility of First Saguenay. So it all makes a lot of sense, and the numbers came in great because of it.
John, where does this report now put the company, in your opinion?
Yeah, so the company, now has its property that it's going to be able to pursue into a feasibility study. We've also done a lot of our pre-feasibility at the same time as we were doing the PEA. A lot of pre-feasibility studies were done internally. So now we're at a level that at some point here very soon we could decide when to embark on a feasibility study.
Yeah, exciting times. What's the reaction been so far? I'm sure you've been hearing a lot from people really excited about what you're seeing here.
Yeah, obviously, it's a great phosphate project. The risk is low. It's in a good jurisdiction. It's very special igneous rock, which can be used to make a lot of purified phosphoric acid. So we're very excited. Finally a good project, reasonable capex, in a great jurisdiction, a great social acceptability, great partnerships, especially with our Indigenous group that's local, and a great team behind it. So we're very excited about moving to the next steps, and great applauses all around for our team, and coming from all parts of the world.
Yeah, I know it's going to be a very busy 2025. What's the plan now that this report's out? You mentioned obviously you want to work on the next report, but there's also going to be some work on the ground, I would imagine.
Yeah, I mean, as you move into a feasibility study, there's more studies that have to be done on the ground, a little bit more of definition drilling, and then you move into different aspects of the feasibility study. So it's always one chapter closed and another one open, but we keep going, we keep moving.
All right, John, we'll leave it there. Congratulations on this. The PEA is out, a very positive one, and appreciate your time.
Thank you so much, Steve. Very much appreciated.
All right, John Passalacqua, the CEO of First Phosphate.